My name is Alec, and this is the Turtlebot Robotics platform project. So basically this project tackles the autonomous mobile robot platform here, and basically it goes over several factory use cases, manufacturing use cases, while basically exploring ROS, robotic operating software, as well as a few other softwares, with the ultimate goal of creating a modular and portable system that can be used for multiple demos, CES, and whatever you want to showcase on this open source platform. Basically, this project right here is showcasing the image sensors both in the Astra Orbit Pro and the Zebra handheld scanner. We have a megabyte pixel image sensor in the Zebra, and we also have, I think, 2 image sensors in the Astra. So basically the design of this project was essentially to simulate a factory environment as seen here with the shelves, and basically we wanted to create a program that kind of simulates shelves in a factory and some kind of path planning that represents that. And basically the structure here runs on several ROS packages: Turtlebot navigation package, a Turtlebot following package, and the Zebra scanning package. Basically the way that it works is, with ROS there's several nodes, and there's the master on the Turtlebot, and basically those nodes interact with each other via topics, and basically the sensor data is picked up on the Astra and is sent over a specific topic with a specific message that's picked up, and that's pretty much how the system works. Geometry messages, twist messages, pretty much everything that makes the two-wheel differential robotic kabuki base move is all in this ROS mesh network. The hardest challenge I faced was honestly introducing myself to new software and tools. One of the main tools we use is RViz, and that's a real-world sensor acquisition tool, as well as Gazebo, which is a simulation tool. And I didn't have much experience with Linux and Ubuntu before, and a lot of the learning curve for me was learning how to implement Python scripts within the ROS structure, using those various tools, and really just studying how the Orbit Pro works with ROS, what topics it puts out, and how the publisher and subscriber system works.